Welcome to my channel. Unidentified network no internet access problem fixed in Windows 2026. Step 1. Restart your PC router. Turn off your computer and Wi-Fi router for 1 minute, then turn them back on to refresh the network connection. Step 2. Check Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected or reconnect your Wi-Fi network again. Step 3. Run Windows Network Troubleshooter. Go to Network Settings and run the Windows Troubleshooter to detect and fix internet problems automatically. Step 4. Disable Enable Network Adapter. Open Device Manager, disable your Wi-Fi/Ethernet adapter, wait a few seconds, then enable it again. Step 5. Restart Network Services. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and restart services like DHCP client and network connections. Step 6. Reset TCP/IP settings. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run network reset commands to refresh internet settings. Step 7. Update network drivers. Go to Device Manager and update your Wi-Fi or LAN drivers to the latest version. Step 8. Change DNS server. Use Google DNS like 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 to improve internet connection and fix unidentified network errors. Step 9. Reset network settings. Open Windows Settings and use the Network Reset option to reinstall all network adapters. Thanks for watching.